Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the different programs offered by Exime University through XGMT and other exams, and then important dates for XGMT exam and the admit card download. So basically XGMT is an exam offered by Exime University Bhubaneswar, and the programs that is offered are MBA in Business Management, MBA in Human Resource Management, and five other MBAs in different disciplines. The top two programs offered by XIM Bhubaneswar is MBA in Business Management and in Human Resource Management. The last program offered by the XIM is Executive MBA, that is for 1 year. Different programs like Rural Management, Sustainability Management, and Urban Management, Masters of Business Finance are offered in the different campus of XIM. The eligibility criteria is same as that of any other exam. You need to complete your bachelor's degree before writing this XCMT exam, or in case you are appearing for the final year or the final semester of the exam, you can also write XCMT exam. But the result of the exam should be on the table before the June 15, 2022, as given in the XIM website. If your mark sheet for the final semester or the final year exam is not there by the end of June 15, 2022, your application will automatically get cancelled. Exam pattern. XGMT 2020 exam pattern. There are four sections: quantitative aptitude, which will have around 20 questions; verbal ability and logical reasoning, which will have around 35 questions; data interpretation, which will have around 15 questions; and emotional quotient and general awareness, which will have around 40 questions. Now, this pattern has been given in the different websites. We have also recorded the number of questions by the student who have written XCMT in the last year. But we cannot ensure by any means that this is going to be the final pattern, because the number of questions is not mentioned in the guidelines issued by the XIM this year. Yes, the duration of the exam will be around 2 hours. The language of the exam is going to be English, and all the questions will be of MCQ type, that is, you will have to choose the best option from among the given four options. Now, the four sections will have will appear in the random sequence, so you don't know which section is going to appear first, and there will be a sectional time limit, though the sectional time limit is not known as of now. Yes, there is a deduction of 1 marks for every wrong answer, and there will not be any deductions for the unattempted question. For correct answer, you will get 3 marks. Now, the important dates. Registration deadline happens on the December 10, which is 10 days after the CAT exam, and this has been done based on a specific purpose, so that after writing CAT exam, a aspirant is well aware of his or her future score in CAT, and accordingly he can apply to the XIM University. Admit card can be downloaded from the website on or after the January 21st, 2022, and the test date, which is confirmed as going to happen on the 30th January 2022, which is on Sunday, the last Sunday of the January. Result will be there by the end of 4th February 2022. Thank you.